Hello everyone and welcome to another video by me. This is a tutorial on how to start up Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is type in Roblox at the top, obviously. I'm not going to do it now because there's things I don't want things to see. Yes. Yeah, you type in that at the top. It should come up with like a link and then you click on Roblox. Then you have to do a sign up thing. So you have to sign up, put all your information and make a password and everything, make a username. The username does get shown, so don't put anything rude or swearing or anything. Yeah, that's thing. Then the game I'm going to show you a tutorial on is Ultimate Driving. You can this little search bar up here. You can search stuff in that search up Ultimate Driving. So like if I do it there, it's not going to paste it. It's much easier, quicker. And you do that, and then you go there, press enter, and it comes up with all these different things. So the one you're looking for is, I'm trying to find it now. Oh no, I can't find it. Ultimate Driving. Oh, it's got that. Because I've put it at the front, and that's not what I want. Don't put the two commas. Yeah, and then go here. If you're not such a good speller, you go to Google, you press that speaking button, and you just say Ultimate Driving input. And then find the one that says Roblox Ultimate Driving 17 new cars. This one here. Westover one. The Westover one's the best. Then you just click play. It will come up with a message. You have to install and download, but I'm not going to do it because I don't need to do that. So install, download, follow the instructions that go up on the screen. Then you can click always, and then it doesn't always work. And you can just open Roblox, go open the Roblox, and that will get your account going. Oh, sorry you're going to see a small part of the screen. I'll see if I can make it slightly bigger. There we are, might be a bit better. But I didn't have, so I'm going to wait until the game loads on and make it a bit bigger, and then back in. Hello and welcome back. Yes. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try this another time so you can hit signs and stuff when I do other videos. But yeah, so there's a little welcome sign and everything. It's Ultimate Driving. This is the guy that created. Have fun, and you click on OK. The first thing you have is you have £10, not £20, and you can have mailman and transport. That's the only one you can have. These ones you have to pay Robux for, and they're quite a lot, but yeah, you obviously can. Get that. I'm going to go with Citizen because Citizen's obviously the best one. I'm going to add more on too. We can do for other people and stuff like that. So if you go here, they've added a few new cars as well, just saying. They're not in order of price. It's unfortunate, but that's like 32. This one's like 52. That was like 100. This one's like 130. It's quite nice, that car. This one's quite a nice car. Golf cart is only 500. 5,000. That one's 60,000. That's 9,000. You can get that one. 44,000. There's a lawnmower. Those ones I'm not going to choose because they're slow as hell. Yeah, they are really slow. They're really. This one's too expensive slightly, and you can't get money unless you drive around. That's actually quite a nice car. How much is it? Oh, a nice car, is it that one? Gives you 106. Pretty good actually. Yeah, the caravan that's really expensive. The 20,000 that I could afford. If it's faster than other ones, there's this that I couldn't afford. There's a van you could afford. So any of the light green you can afford. That's it. I might go with this one because it's quite nice and it's bright. And you can choose a colour. So I'm going to go for the yellow. This colour stays with it unless you've got Robux. So I think you can buy a garage now. garage pass so you can get everything free at a garage. Not sure though. I think it costs quite a lot of money. I have to find the right driving. Just keep jumping in and out of the car. No! If you dare steal my car and I'll kill you. Oh! Has he just stolen my car? Sorry if you can't see you guys, but I think the guy's just stolen my car. I think someone's just stolen my car. Well, that's not how I can start, is it? I did video suddenly stopped because I didn't realise where the time had gone. And yeah, I'll do a part 2. But it's just a tutorial how to get started. So you want to look for a fast car. So my suggestion would be this one, because it's faster. But this one I think is quite good. I like dark blue. Sorry, I nearly all my vehicles on my other account are dark blue. So I have to go dark blue because and red. So, but red doesn't look so good on here. So we can either be a criminal or good guy driving around. But I think the more fun is to be a criminal because you can really get some speed up. People think if you go as fast as you can, not bounty, they think it's bonus points and stuff like that. It's not. It really isn't. You have to pay that money towards it, and some 4,000, I suppose. Yeah, I've got 5 speed. So now I've got 3 bounty. So say if I go, oh, there's a fire. There's a house fire. Oh, there can't be a firefighter there, so that's unfortunate. Oh, there's a firefighter. Oh, I see it in the fire trucks. They're quite long and they're really hard to steer, but they're worth it. You don't pay any money either. So, you can do police chases and all sorts. He's after me, isn't he? What's the matter, Jay? I haven't done anything wrong, have I? Oh, could we steal this thing? I don't know. I'm not sure. I haven't done this when I haven't not been a policeman, so I don't know if you could steal the car. Oh, you can't because you're not part of that. Oh. If you were, then yeah. It'd make a lot more sense. Oh, he just left. Huh? Oh, he wants to be, oh, yeah. I don't know if he's good. Okay. I am stuck in it. Oh, F is to, like, if you get stuck on, like, a wall or anything, get stuck on something, I'll show you how to get stuck. How I got stuck once. Like that. Say if I got stuck there. Oh, there's another one just up there. And there's one there as well. You can do this, and you kind of move your car forwards. It's not. And you do it. You can. You can't. I think there's a time waiting thing now. Yeah, the fire. So you buy cars, house thingies. 20,000. Oh yeah, it does cost you money to go. Don't get speed fires. That's all I'm suggesting. Is because I've just got fined again. Oh. How do I get a new friend without even clicking a button? Yeah. This is the best place to do races, all sorts. Oh my word! Oh, look, we've got a guy that's stuck. I'm gonna jump in. Oh, look at him! Ah! Let me in! Oh, he left his car. I wonder how fast it is. Yeah, it was only like one car you could use to buy. Now there's a few. I pressed park. What? Oh, it's really parked. Oh, what have I done? I parked it. Alright, let's go back in again. I've stolen his car. I'm down the wrong side of the road! Wait. I haven't got much time between us. So I need to whack it! Back! Oh, idiot. Oh, that guy's good. If I press the right button, it will work. I think it's trying to get everyone nowhere near the car. Oh wow, that's just perfect, isn't it? It seems to find you. Ooh, play. Yeah, so I flip the cover. Yeah, so if you do flip the F, the flip it back over again. But the real thing is this. P. This car seems to pick up a lot of speed very quickly. Oh, there's a driver in the way. There's a driver there. Oh, they're blocking the way. Oh, he's left. Okay. Yeah, it does go fast down hills now, even if we're pressing W. It used to not do that. Yeah, so basically, you just drive around. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I do release as many videos as I can in a day, but if I can't... Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Oh, it seems like now, this grass, what I thought was grass area, is now actually... Oh, they changed it. The grass is just an invention now. Oh. Like a mask now, probably. Oh, I didn't realise that. Oh, okay. This is solid stuff. Why does it... Oh, okay. So, here. So, yeah, because this all used to be solid. Oh, hello. I fell in the water now. When I got far enough away, when I could actually get out of the water. Let's get going. Let's get going. Oh, what did I? My feet's sinking. I'm sure I think it's sleepy, but oh, these are the same as well. So yeah, okay, we're gonna have to walk quite a way. So we're just gonna sit here. If we go to mailman, I'm not sure how much the mail costs. I'm not sure. You can be a mailman, you can get quite a lot for it. And if we just go around the area to get mail, I've done this. I was 15,000 mail. The mail lorries. Could I still pick up mail? Even in my car. Oh, okay. Alright, I thought. Ah. Run! That's a good car there. Gonna lose it! Yes. Oh, wow.